Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017. To remove the door handle, you need to unscrew the bolt on the side of the door all the way to the left. After that, you can pull out the locked cylinder. To remove the handle itself, turn that same bolt back to the right almost all the way in. Then pull the handle to the right and toward you to release it. If you need to remove the inner plastic handle housing, slightly unscrew the bolt under the handle and push the mechanism inside the door. From the inside, you will need to disconnect two metal rods. One can be removed by simply releasing the yellow plastic clip at the bottom, and the second one by rotating the mechanism itself.